Quite frankly, guys, fuck your 9-to-5 job, fuck your dropshipping store, fuck all of the business models that you've done for 90 days and have had no progress. Start getting rich online making Fortnite maps. As you guys can see on my screen right now, this game has amassed 26,000 players and it's made a grand total of $1.4 million. Can you tell me another business model that can generate you $1.4 million in a single year by literally just making a video game that little kids can play? There is seriously nothing that you guys can tell me that is better than what I'm showing you guys today. So whether you're just starting out making money online making Fortnite maps, or you're just a brand new person who's just seen this video, my name is Davis, and essentially I motivate and inspire other people and make them money online making Fortnite maps. I've generated thousands and thousands of dollars, millions of dollars accumulative to the people and the impact that I've had inside of this space making money online making Fortnite maps. So today I'm going to be showing you guys every single thing you guys need to know. It doesn't matter what stage you guys are at, you guys are all going to take a little 2 cents out of what I'm saying and what I'm educating you guys on, which is seriously going to make you guys monumentally rich. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay guys, so the first thing you guys really need to pay attention to is how you're actually getting paid. I know I've covered it in various videos, but if you're a beginner and you're just watching me, or you've only started making games for like a few months, it's very confusing sometimes because you look at the estimates here. We go to this game here called Bed Wars, and it says it's making around $127,000 a week. And it's so hard to say that with a flat face, but so let's just use him as a demonstration. Let's just say he's making $410,000, but wait, look, it says 100K to 400K. Which one is it actually? And this is a website called Fortnite GG that you guys can publicly availably go on and look for yourselves, see what people are actually making. But I want to assure you guys that the revenue that is generated at the high end, like this $400,000 here in a single week, is actually accurate. And the way that Epic Games pays you is based off of island retention. Just like you watching this YouTube video right now, the way that they actually pay you is by bringing new people inside of the ecosystem. I'm getting money by bringing you guys here. You guys buy my AI software. You guys buy the course because I'm here to help you and educate you. And that's essentially business 101. So that is essentially the breakdown of how to actually get paid. But there's also one thing that if you don't have accurate and down to a T, you seriously can never be successful. And that is your Fortnite map making thumbnails. If you look here, we go to the creative dashboard here. You guys can see all of the thumbnails that are super pretty to the eyes and attractive, because just like I said earlier, you guys wouldn't be here without my YouTube thumbnail. They have to be attractive. They have to gauge your eyes and have you want to appeal to click onto them. Just like Fortnite map making. As you guys can see, these thumbnails here are super aggressive and vibrant and colorful, which is why it's bringing in so many players like this game, which has made $217,000 in literally just a span of 17 days. Because if we go to the high-end page over here, we go to page 100, you're going to see that these thumbnails are not good at all. You know, what is separating these guys from you at home watching becoming one of these guys compared to people like this who have such amazing thumbnails? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to explain to you today, because it's not just using AI software and saying, hey, create me this. You know, you got to be in depth with it. You got to be practical. You got to have good advice behind you, which is why I want you guys to all go ahead and use this software called Photopea. This is a software which is better than Photoshop itself. Honestly, it's pretty similar, but this is what you guys want to be using to make your Fortnite map making thumbnails. So I'm going to show you guys a real quick step-by-step process on thumbnails that I've made in the software so you guys can replicate the same success that I've had. So starting off, here's an amazing thumbnail that I made inside of this software. Obviously, I had to do Blender for the skin here, and these images are icons of Juice WRLD and his songs. We all know Juice WRLD. His new album just came out. Phenomenal, by the way. But yeah, this is just a chill music 1v1 FFA game, and I saw an opportunity to strike and take action. If you guys search up 1v1 music, you're going to see lots of games that have thousands and thousands of players like this one that have made a grand total of $324,000 within a 6-month time span horizon, which is amazing. You know, how often do we see Fortnite maps becoming this popular? And that is exactly what I'm here to do. I'm here to revolutionize the space and get millions and millions of people on board making games. I'm number one in the entire space, baby. And yeah, so if you guys look here, you know, we have all these cool 1v1 thumbnails. Some of them are bad, some of them are good. These guys are just using the same picture, which is kind of funny. One has 100 players, one doesn't. So this guy's just stealing this guy's thumbnail. That's insane. And this guy's made how much? $6,000. This is the same thumbnail and it's made $20,000. That's crazy. So now that you guys are all up to speed on how Epic Games pays you and how to make good thumbnails to get clicks inside of your games, how do you build a game and how do you actually promote your game? You know, we see all these games that are super popular here, and I'm not gonna lie, guys, these guys are irrelevant on social medias. Unlike myself here, these guys are not doing any promotion really on their games. So how are they really getting popular? Well, realistically, we already know that these games have been popular for a long time. We've all played Red vs. Blue, we've all played Go Goated, we've all played The Pit, and that is why these guys are still on top. You know, they built a personal brand behind their games. People recognize them inside of the Fortnite economy, inside the Fortnite UEFN creative space. But for you guys at home watching, how can you stand out and beat these guys? Beat the odds. Escape that matrix, baby. This is how exactly you're going to do it, okay? So we're gonna head on to TikTok right here, and I'm gonna show you exactly what you guys need to be doing to market and promote your game successfully to get your name out there. So we're gonna search up Fortnite Maps promotion, and you're gonna see videos with millions and millions of views, like this one here called Brain Rot Box PvP. Look at the gameplay. 127,000 likes, 1.7 million views, Brain Rot Box PvP, custom gun game, one-shot game with powers and abilities. This is an insane promotion. So what you guys want to be tackling when you guys are marketing your games is the angle you're trying to convey. Obviously, this one one is kind of funny and humorous. This one's chill and competitive. It's a build fight game. It looks like you're about to change your skin. You can't really change your skin. That's illegal and it will get you banned. This one's just a flat out XP game. And obviously, you know, we know how XP glitches are. There's millions a season. This one is like an OG Christmas 1v1 game with music and a background of the chapter 2 map. Realistically, a lot of the ways that people are promoting their games are kind of scandalous. You know, we have XP games, we have fake skin changers, fake chapter 6 islands, fake Travis Scott account. Like, this obviously is not legit at all. If we were to go look here and look here, at the very end, he's getting all of these skins. I really don't think so. I think he's using some dev build, which is completely fake and false. And what the hell is this over here? Why is there a girl's bum as a Fortnite skin? What the hell? I think I've explained everything you need to know about marketing and promotion. So how can you actually get your name out there? How do you beat the odds of these weirdos making these fake videos, getting millions and millions of views? And that is what I call a personal brand. That is the only way you can do it. The reason you're watching me is because I have skills that I have gained that I want to transfer to you guys for the X dollar amount. That's how we exchange your value. I save you time, give me money. That is how the entirety of the world goes. We save each other time for dollars. I just had braces, retainers, that costed a few $1,000s. They saved me time because I don't know how to do it. And all of you guys starting making games, you're not going to know how to make games, which is why I have a coaching program and a $1 club called Fort Mafia. $1 one time forever, guys, mind you, where you guys can learn and earn and start making money online, making Fortnite maps with whatever stage you guys are at. We have free games and code, tutorials, pre-made templates that are just ready to go, so you guys can just get started making games and making money online instantly, all for the price of just $1, which is in the link in the description if you guys want to know more on that. The only way I was able to sell the course to you guys, sell my AI software dropping soon, is because of a personal brand. You have to care about the person on the other end of the screen. These guys that are making these TikToks, they just want views. Do you think they care about like the other guys behind the screen wasting their time? No, but I do. I care about you guys, bro, because you guys are really the reason I'm going to be successful. I'm the reason I created this success. This is how the world works. You create stuff in the best interest of people. So now that I covered how to build a personal brand, how to market and promote your games, how to make thumbnails, and how you get paid, finally, how can you actually get started making games? And the way that you do that is by downloading the Epic Games Launcher and downloading UEFN. If you search up UEFN on the keyboard in Google search, you will see Unreal Editor for Fortnite. You can go and press install right here, and it's going to show you how to actually download UEFN and get started online making Fortnite maps. And guys, yes, you do have to be 18 years of age, but obviously, guys, you can bypass it with your parents. If they believe in you, guys, show them this video. Show them the results that people are having, okay? The results that I'm having, the impact that I've had on you guys. I'm here to motivate you guys. Show your parents this video. Thousands of you guys have hit me up in DM saying you've changed my life in ways that I could have never described. My parents are proud of me. I'm in XYZ job and I can't get through it, but I'm making games and I'm actually making a living off of doing what I care about. I don't have to work another job anymore. And that's why I say F the 9-to-5 job, guys. Start making money online, making Fortnite maps, because this is here forever. This is not going anywhere. And I'm going to continue to dominate the space and get rich online, educating and motivating you guys. I promise you. The only way that I was able to be here in the first place was by gaining skills and gaming competence, believing in myself that this is possible. Look at all of you guys watching this video. I freaking love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. It truly means the world to me to have you guys here. Join the Versify waitlist, my AI software company specifically designed for UEFN and verse code to solve your guys' coding problems and errors and mistakes, where you don't even have to learn verse code anymore. You don't even have to make thumbnails. You don't even have to use Fortnite GG. This is an all-in-one stop shop for Fortnite map making at whatever stage you guys are at, which drops in exactly 13 days. You guys can join the waitlist in the description. I seriously love you guys, man. It's been your boy Davey Davis. Click the last video on the screen. Businesses and sponsorships. You can reach out down below in my about section. I seriously cannot thank you guys enough for being here. Love you guys all, man. It's been your boy Davey Davis. I'm out. Peace.